what's going on, everyone? My name is Jason Wong, and I'm the founder of Wong House Ventures. I have been doing e-commerce for about 8 years now, and I've been following Chase on Twitter for a little close to like a year now, and I've always been really impressed with his email abilities, and was always kind of afraid to ask him for advice because I didn't want to waste his time or bother him. So when he launched his course, I was super stoked, and immediately just went to it. And honestly, the amount of stuff that you'll learn from this course is beyond anything that you'll learn from YouTube or watching blogs or reading newsletters. It's truly one of the most comprehensive email marketing course that you can find out there. And it's honestly so affordable compared to the massive value that it provides. And I don't want to throw the value word out here because everyone's saying their program provides value and whatnot. But really, for the amount that you're paying, you're going to immediately get a return on your investment almost the next day, just by optimizing your sign-up flows, optimizing your automation flows, and the campaign emails that you will be sending just through the knowledge that you learn from this course. Truly, I cannot recommend a better course than Chase Dimond's email course.